YouTube homepage something went wrong. Try again problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to Play Store. Click on search bar. Search YouTube app. Update YouTube app. Tap on hold YouTube. Click on app info. Tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear storage. Tap on delete. Now go to YouTube app. Problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.